what you're gonna need. We're just gonna cut the chicken into strips. Next, we're gonna set our heat on high. We're gonna throw some oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, we're gonna put the chicken in, and we're just gonna cook that until it's all white. Add a little bit of salt and pepper. Grab one of your wooden spoons or anything you can mix the chicken with, really. Mix it around a little bit so all of the chicken gets cooked. This is optional, but why not? I use some seasoning salt just to add some more flavor. Alright, here the chicken's starting to look white, so it's getting cooked. We're just gonna remove this water because we definitely don't want that. Once your chicken's all cooked, we're just gonna cut it into smaller pieces so it's easier for the quesadilla. Here we're going to be adding some ranch. Some buffalo sauce. Some Mexican cheese blend. I didn't have a full bag, so I just finished off what I had. Once you have all that, you're just gonna mix it together. Throw some ham in a pan. When the pan is hot, we're gonna put our tortilla in there. Add some chicken. Cover one side of the tortilla. Let that cook for a little bit. We're gonna flip it. And I know my quesadilla is looking kind of crispy, but we'll work with it. And then that's about it. Enjoy.